business owner or a professional, or maybe you just want to reinvent yourself. Networking is the key to your next big move. I'm Deborah Benton, and I'm here to tell you about a networking event that I'll be hosting in Northeast Ohio. It's a time to meet people from various industries and professions: media, sports, entertainment, finance, real estate, and so much more. Bring your business cards and your elevator pitches. Be prepared to make connections. And we'll cap off the evening with a mini concert by international award-winning artist Blaq and the Roses. The date is Friday, August the 16th from 7 to 9 p.m. Log on to the website for more details, and I'll see you there.
Trying to take you where you never been before. So many places we can explore in this lifetime. Yeah, let's go on things that he's supposed to do for you. Oh, you don't even smile no more the way you used to. I will always build you up.
And I'll see you there.
Trying to take you where you never been before. So many places we can explore in this lifetime.